Every day, thousands of people register a business. But here's the reality. Most of them spend their first few months working on the wrong things. They're designing logos, building websites, creating social media accounts, buying software, doing all the fun things of starting a business. Yet, they still have no clear direction. If that's you or you're thinking about starting a business this year, this video will save you months of frustration and potentially thousands of dollars. Today, I'll walk you through a practical step-by-step framework that I use with entrepreneurs to build businesses designed to grow, not businesses to create overwhelm and uncertainty. And I'll also show you how every step fits in the Optima business foundations, including templates and workbooks you can use and customize instead of starting from scratch. So let's get started. First of all, stop chasing the perfect business idea. One of the biggest mistakes I see is believing you need the perfect business idea before you begin. You don't. You need a problem worth solving. What problems do people consistently ask me for help with? What skills do I already have? What experience makes a difference? Who do I genuinely enjoy helping? Instead of asking, what business should I start? Ask yourself, what problem can I solve better than most people? Businesses are built around solving problems. Revenue follows value. Once you know the problem, now it's time to build a foundation. So let's start with creating your vision first, because this is where nearly every entrepreneur skips ahead. Strategy without vision is just busy work. Before registering your LLC, before buying software, before posting on Instagram, answer these questions. What business am I building? Why does it exist? What does success actually look like? What lifestyle am I creating? Who do I want to serve? What values will guide every decision? Inside the vision foundation that I've created, I provide templates including business vision workbooks, mission statement builders, core value templates, business roadmaps, and so much more. So instead of you staring at a blank page, you simply personalize proven frameworks for your own business because clarity removes uncertainty. Next, you'll validate before you invest. Before spending thousands, validate, talk to people, interview potential customers, offer a pilot, sell before you scale. Because many entrepreneurs build product nobody asked for. Instead, build alongside your audience. Questions to ask are, what frustrates them? What have they already tried? Why didn't it work? What outcome do they actually want? Listen first, build second. Next, you'll handle the legal setup. So once the validation happens, now you can legally establish your business. Typically, that includes choosing your business structure, registering your LLC or corporation, applying for that EIN, opening a business account, setting up your bookkeeping, purchasing insurance if needed. And notice, this comes after your vision, not before, because paperwork doesn't create successful businesses, but the direction does. Next, you'll build your operations early. This is where entrepreneurs begin losing time. They work from memory. Everything stays in their head. Every day feels reactive. But instead, build simple operational systems immediately. Because if you start this from the beginning, you will be so organized that you will have automation that will be able to apply to some of these tasks. Inside the operations foundation that I've built, you will find templates like the CEO weekly planner, your weekly reset planner, your daily focus planner, time blocking workbooks, priority matrix, meeting planner, project planner, weekly checklist. These aren't complicated, but they've been designed to help you stay organized from day one, because businesses don't become organized later. They become organized now. Next is you'll start documenting everything. Here's something most beginners never hear. Start documenting while your business is small. Don't wait until you hire your first employees. Every recurring task should become a process. So inside the process foundation, I include customizable templates such as your master SOP workbook, department SOP templates, workflow templates, process mapping guides, workflow audits, business playbooks, knowledge-based templates, automation checklists. Every document is already structured and ready for use. You simply replace my examples with your own. That saves hours of work and ensures consistency as your business grows. Next, you're going to think beyond today. Many entrepreneurs only think about this week. Successful business owners think years ahead. This is where the leadership foundation comes into play. Even if you're a team of one, leadership starts today. I've got templates that will help with delegation framework, one-on-one meeting guides, accountability trackers, hiring scorecards, communication plans. You may not need every resource immediately, but building leadership habits early changes everything. Then you also have the growth foundation. Growth isn't accidental. Track what matters. And these resources include your marketing calendar, sales pipeline, CRM tracker, your customer journey map, your monthly business review. These templates help you measure progress instead of guessing. And last but not least is the personal foundation. This pillar surprises most people. Your business cannot outperform your life. If you're exhausted, disorganized, constantly overwhelmed, your business will eventually reflect that. So inside this foundation, you'll find the habit tracker, your personal SOP, your morning and evening routine, your meal planner, your family calendar, things that operate around your business, because sustainable businesses are built by sustainable entrepreneurs. So the next part that you're going to work on is your first 90-day roadmap. If I were starting over today, here's exactly what I would focus on. Month 1 is creating your vision, understand your customer, validating your offer, and complete your vision foundation templates. Month 2, it's registering your business, set up your operations, create your weekly planning routines, organize your files, and document recurring tasks. And then month 3 is launch consistently. Measure the results, improve your systems, refine your processes, build those repeatable habits, and remember, progress beats perfection every single time. Starting a business isn't about checking a box. It's about creating a business that's designed to support the life you actually want. That's exactly why I created the Optima Business Foundation. Instead of wondering what comes next, you'll have 6 complete pillars guiding you through every stage of your business. And these are your vision, operations, processes, leadership, growth, and personal. Each foundation includes practical trainings, customizable workbooks, planners, dashboards, and templates you can adapt for your own business, saving you time while giving you a proven structure to build on. If you're serious about starting your business the right way this year, don't just launch, but take a step back and build a strong foundation first. I know the launch is extremely exciting. I've been there, but taking one step at a time will be better in the long run. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for the weekly trainings on business systems, operations, leadership, and sustainable growth. You can also download my free business assessment to identify where your business is strong and where it needs attention. And if you're ready to go deeper, explore the Optima Foundation Academy, where I just walked you through all 6 of these pillars, where you'll find every workbook, planner, and template mentioned in this video today. So get ready to customize and also own your business. Remember, structure creates freedom, and I'll see you in the next training.